In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fade in and fade to black in Kdenlive. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to have open is your timeline and your clips. From here, you need to go to the effects tab right here. When you've done that, you need to go up here to search, or you can go down to motion down here, but I'll just click search and click on fade. Then you have the opportunity to get into motion or volume and dynamics. Motion is for video and volume and dynamics is for audio. So from here, you just simply, to fade it in, you hold it and just drag it into start of your clip that you want to fade in. As you can see, I want my fade to start here. And I can just show you quickly. As you can see now, it's fading in. And to fade out, I'll just put it down onto the end of my clip. I can just show you here. As you can see now, it's in black. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!